If spring had a sound, it would surely be the awakening of the earth by the insects. Though the days alternate between warmth and chill, we feel the gentle spring breeze brushing our faces and the spring rain lingering softly. As the temperature rises, the breath of life surrounds us. Time does not preach, but it sets the standard for beauty and the weight of effort. Indeed, only in such moments can life be more easily awakened. Thus, the solar term insects awaken, or jingja, becomes a direct encounter with life itself. A vibrant revival and a powerful emergence. Yet beauty doesn't arise of nowhere. After a long winter of dormancy, what is past must be cleansed, and what was gained and lost needs to be sorted. Only in this way can we live up to the present spring and embrace the awakened self, ready for a fresh start. Insects Awaken arrives just in time. The days resound loudly, not only unafraid of the present, but filled with color and sound. Life grows confidently, beginning its natural rise and fall. Despite the lingering cold, spring already pulses with its vibrant rhythm. From today forward, whether in motion or stillness, day or night, we hear the song of life's growth, the prelude to the seasons. For those who listen or watch, as long as they pay attention, every moment becomes worthy of anticipation. Our faces shine with happiness as we await the wind's ebb and flow, as well as the sunlight growing stronger within it.